Is that your lollipop, boy? That's your lollipop? Nice lollipop. Is that your lollipop? You give me some. You wanna give me some? Eee, yummy. Oh, don't eat that. Huy! You're eating the fly. Eating the fly. Give me your lollipop. Put it in your feet. Put it in your feet.
Just a feet yet pause.
Oh, pause pala. Put it in your paws.
Put that. Baliktad.
It's inverted, boy. Oh. Jake heard it. One more. Ganda yan, ang lollipop talaga.